Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding Moraji Desai National Institute of Yoga, New Delhi, which is a premier institute of Government of India, Ministry of Ayush Government of India, and this is among the best yoga institute of India. Here, entrance exam for Diploma in Yoga Science (DYSC) 2025-26 will be on 10th of August 2025. In this video, I will give you information regarding sample paper for the entrance exam preparation for Moraji Desai National Institute of Yoga, New Delhi, and this sample paper is very useful for various yoga entrance and certification exams like Moraji Desai National Institute of Yoga, New Delhi, Diploma in Yoga Science, Dev Sanskriti University, Haridwar, Lucknow University, Commerce University, Trent Test, CUT, SVSA Bangalore, Savitribai Phule Pune University, and for all other university and institutes which conducts yoga entrance and yoga certification exams for undergraduate, postgraduate, diploma, etc. and students who are preparing for various university and institutes yoga entrance and yoga certification exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. and for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. Here first question is, what is the theme for International Yoga Day 2025? What is the theme for International Yoga Day 2025? Options are A. Yoga for Peace. Option B. Yoga for All. Option C. Yoga for One Earth, One Health. Option D. Yoga for Unity. Correct answer is option C. Yoga for One Health, One Earth, One Health. So the theme of International Yoga Day 2025 is Yoga for One Earth, One Health. Theme for International Yoga Day 2025 is Yoga for One Earth, One Health. Its explanation is the 2025 Yoga Day theme focusing on linking personal health with global sustainability. Question number second is, when was first International Yoga Day celebrated? When was first International Yoga Day celebrated? Its answer is 21st June 2015. In 21st June 2015, first International Yoga Day was celebrated. Next question is question number third, which International Yoga Day was celebrated on 21st of June 2025? Which International Yoga Day was celebrated on 21st of June 2025? Answer is 11. So 11th International Yoga Day was celebrated on 21st June 2025. Question number 4 is, how many kosas do humans have as per the yogic system? How many kosas do humans have as per the yogic system? Options are A, 2, B, 3, C, 4, D, 5. Correct answer is option D, 5. So 5 kosas humans have as per the yogic system. So as per the yogic system, humans have 5 kos, and its explanation is, as per the Taittiriya Upanishad, an ancient tantric yoga text, a human being is described as having 5 seats or kosas. Question number 5 is, name the asana in which the waist and arms look like a cobra. So what is the name of the asana in which the waist and arms look like a cobra? Options are A. Bhujangasana, B. Ardha Chakrasana, C. Vakrasana, D. None of the above. Correct answer is option A. Bhujangasana. So in Bhujangasana, the waist and arms look like a cobra. In Bhujangasana, the waist and arms look like a cobra. So explanation is, Bhujangasana is known as the cobra pose. Question number 6 is, Karma Yoga is a branch of yoga based on the teaching of which text? Karma Yoga is a branch of yoga based on the teaching of which text? Options are A. Ashtavakra Samhita, B. Bhagavad Gita, C. Hatha Yoga Pradipika, D. Vedas. Correct answer is option B. Bhagavad Gita. So Karma Yoga is a branch of yoga which is based on the teaching of Bhagavad Gita. So Karma Yoga is a branch of yoga based on the teaching of Bhagavad Gita text. Its explanation is, Karma Yoga is the yoga of action or work. Specifically, Karma Yoga is the path of dedicated work. It is based on the teaching of the Bhagavad Gita. Question number 7 is, which of the following statement is or are correct about yoga? Which of the following statement is or are correct about yoga? Options are A. Yoga is practiced since ancient India. It is a physical, mental and spiritual practice. Option B. The yoga word is derived from Sanskrit. Option C. Yoga means to join or unite, represent the union of body and consciousness or alertness. Option D. All the above are correct. So correct answer is option D. All the above are correct. So here all the given statement, that is statement A. Yoga is practiced since ancient India. It is a physical, mental and spiritual practice. This statement is correct. Option B. The yoga word is derived from Sanskrit. This statement is also correct. And statement C. Yoga means to join or unite, represent the union of body and consciousness or alertness. This statement is also true. So all the given statements are true. Next, its explanation is yoga is practiced since ancient India. It is a physical, mental and spiritual practice. From Sanskrit, the word yoga is derived. Yoga means to join or unite, representing the union of body and consciousness or alertness. Question number 8 is, who is known as the father of yoga? Who is known as the father of yoga? Answer is Maharshi Patanjali. Maharshi Patanjali is known as the father of yoga. Question number 9 is, who is known as the father of modern yoga? Who is known as the father of modern yoga? Answer is T. Krishnamacharya. T. Krishnamacharya is known as the father of modern yoga. Question number 10. What was the theme of International Yoga Day 2024? So the theme of International Yoga Day 2024 was Yoga for Self and Society. Question number 11. Who is the President of India at present? Answer is Draupadi Murmu. So Mrs. Draupadi Murmu is the President of India at present. Question number 12. Who is the Vice President of India at present? So Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar. Jagdeep Dhankar is the Vice President of India at present. Question number 13. Who is the present Attorney General of India? Correct answer is R. Venkataramani. So R. Venkataramani is the present Attorney General of India. And R. Venkataramani succeeded on the office as the 16th Attorney General on 1st October 2022. His predecessor was K.K. Venugopal. Question number 14. Who is the present Solicitor General of India? So who is the present Solicitor General of India? Answer is Tushar Mehta. Tushar Mehta is the present Solicitor General of India. Its explanation is the Solicitor General works under the Attorney General of India. The duties of the Solicitor General are laid out in Law Officers Conditions of Service Rules 1987. Question number 15. Who is the present Comptroller and Auditor General CAG of India? So who is the present CAG of India, Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Answer is Kundu Sanjay Murthy, IAS. Kundu Sanjay Murthy, who is an IAS, is the present Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Next question is 16. Who is the present Chief of Army Staff in India? So present Chief of Army Staff in India is General Upendra Dwivedi. General Upendra Dwivedi is the present Chief of Army Staff in India. Its explanation is Chief of the Army Staff General Upendra Dwivedi, PVSM, AVSM, 30 June 2025 to till date, published on 30 June 2025. General Upendra Dwivedi assumed command of the Indian Army on 30 June 2024. Question 17. Who is the present Chief of Air Staff in India? Who is the present Chief of Air Staff in India? Answer is Air Chief Marshal Amarpreet Singh. So Air Chief Marshal Amarpreet Singh is the present Chief of Air Staff in India. Question 18. Who is the present Chief of Naval Staff in India? Answer is present Chief of Naval Staff in India is Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi. Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi is the present Chief of Naval Staff in India since 30 April 2024. Question 19. Who is the present Chief Election Commissioner of India? Answer is Gyanesh Kumar. So Gyanesh Kumar is the present Chief Election Commissioner of India since 19 February 2025. Question 20. Who is the present National Human Rights Commission Chairman of India? So present National Human Rights Commission Chairman of India is Sri Justice V. Ramasubramaniam. Sri Justice V. Ramasubramaniam is the present National Human Rights Commission Chairman of India. Question 21. Who is the present National Commission for Women Chairperson? Answer is present National Commission for Women Chairperson is Mrs. Vijay Kishore Rahatkar. Question 22. Who is the present Chief Information Commissioner CIC of India? So present Chief Information Commissioner CIC of India is Hiralal Samaria. Question 23. Who is the present Finance Commission Chairman of India? So present Finance Commission Chairman of India is Dr. Arvind Pangaria. chairman of the 16th Finance Commission of India. So Dr. Arvind Pangaria, who is the chairman of the 16th Finance Commission of India, is the present Finance Commission chairman. Question 22-24, who is the present ISRO chairman? Answer is V. Narayanan. V. Narayanan is the present ISRO chairman since 14 January 2025. Question 25, who is the present SEBI chairman, Security and Exchange Board of India? Answer is Tuhin Kanta Pandey. Tuhin Kanta Pandey is the present SEBI chairman. Full form of SEBI is Securities and Exchange Board of India. So in this video, information regarding sample paper for the preparation of entrance exam for Moraji Desai National Institute of Yoga, New Delhi, Diploma in Yoga Science has been discussed, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, yoga entrance and yoga certification exams, and for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.